Welcome, I'm Jan Kugel from Qualistery.com, and I have exciting news today for you and all the GxP professionals out there. I'm going to tell you about something that I have been working on for a long time now, and you will love it. I will also tell you about the fantastic cooperations that I have, and in the end I have an invitation for you to something that will help you master deviations. Before that, here is a little background. A year ago I went on a parental leave. During this time I wanted to keep learning about GxP, but couldn't find anything interesting online. Therefore, I have decided to make my own entertaining videos and a podcast for GxP Professionals. I have loved the process that much that I have decided to create unique educational GxP programs that are interesting, fun, and very effective. I see a lot of value in it, because companies not always have dedicated educators who have time to learn how to create sophisticated and captivating training. Most have other essential projects on their hands, but it shouldn't be like that. Training is there for a reason and not to show signatures to auditors to satisfy them. Moreover, educational activities should be fun. Our life is too short to spend hours glaring at slides full of text. For this reason, I've spent many months learning training techniques and presentation methods from the best in the world. Afterward, I've created a unique educational concept specifically for GxP personnel. A method which I will put in the hands of only exceptional industry professionals. Only people who I trust them to make something beautiful with it. This concept replaces boring slides full of text with visual storytelling. Moreover, I'm not talking here about passive courses. I'm talking about hands-on online workshops where people assimilate the material through activities in small groups. The workshops are incredibly dynamic and cycle quickly between lectures, keeping you attentive and captivated the whole time. After you finish the workshop, you will feel that you have mastered the subject and can confidently use it in your workplace. I promise that this will be a fantastic career boost for you or your employees. To run such elaborate and advanced workshops, you need highly experienced industry professionals. But not only that, they should be great storytellers and have a healthy sense of humor. I'm excited to tell you that I could already find one such person who shares my vision and has a great passion for educating GxP professionals. I'm incredibly proud to share with you that the first person to run workshops under the Qualistery roof is Alex Hall. Alex is an expert in pharmaceutical quality assurance with more than 30 years in the pharma industry, 20 of those as a qualified person. She served as a QP assessor in the UK and now she trains QPs. I feel very fortunate to let you know that Alex will run not one, not two, but 7 different workshops for Qualistery, starting January 2021. Each workshop will help you master various aspects of GxP. The first workshop, which will launch in January 2021, is Deviation and Issue Management Systems. To this occasion, we are launching a free webinar on the same topic, which will give you fantastic value. Even if you don't participate in the workshop, you can build upon the tools that Alex will teach you there. However, it won't be as quick and fun. In the webinar, you will learn the best practice framework for investigation of deviations. Additionally, you will familiarize yourself with an approach you can apply to all relevant product lifecycle and supply chain areas such as product quality, complaints, audit findings, and laboratory out-of-specification and out-of-train results. Also, I will have a fantastic surprise for live participants. You can register for the webinar on Qualistery.com or use the link in the comment section. Your journey towards GxP mastery will begin there with us. Thank you, stay compliant, and see you soon.